Welcome to our channel Tricky Tech, and welcome to also a new video. So this video I am posting after a very long time, so I am sorry for that. But citing that, today's topic is how to blink an Arduino Uno board. So I am going to in this video I am going to first I am this is my first video of Arduino Uno. If you are interested and if you like it, then comment down that I will post that Arduino Uno how to play Despacito using Arduino Uno. If you want that, please comment below. I will make a video in my own time when I will be free. So today's topic is how to blink an LED. So this is the basic topic of the Arduino Uno. Of for this project you will only need LED, a simple LED and a simple Arduino Uno board. And after that you will notice that in the LED one lead is big and one lead is small. So the one big lead is known as cathode, anode, and the small lead is known as cathode. So the big lead you have to put in this Arduino Uno board in the 13 number digital pin, the big lead, and the small lead will go in this GND, means the ground. The reason why we put the big lead, means the anode, to the 13 number pin in the Arduino Uno is that the 13 number digital pin has the inbuilt resistor, that we do not have to put a resistor in external wise. So I am putting. Now you can see that it has been put. Now look at once how it is put.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run.
So I hope you have watched. Now let's move to the coding. Now you will write this code in a software named Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE is a software that is used for Arduino coding. The Arduino IDE full form is the Arduino Integrated Development Environment. You can download from the Google. It is only I think it is only suitable for PC. So you have to write this code. You can see that it is written hashtag define LED 13 means you know that it is the LED pin has been add to the Arduino digital LED 13 pin. So the next code is that you may see the setup, that means with the 2/ you can see that's a notes, you don't have to write that. And from that the void setup, it is normal. In the pin mode you have to give pin mode LED built-in, comma output. And after that from the void loop part, the void loop means the how many times it will be, means it's only the case of the repetition. Void loop means that repetition, and void, it is the term that. Now you can see that digital write LED built-in high means that high means it will glow after that delay 1000, means you know that 1000 millisecond equals to 1 second. After that digital write LED built-in low means it will be off, and after that you see that it is 1000 means 1 second, means the delay will be 1 second to the USB cable with this PC. And after that you have to you may check one time with this tick color one, means that verify once this program. So it is fine, no problem in the program. And after that click in this arrow, means it is uploaded. Now I will show you after upload the result. Now you can see this LED is blinking with this coding, and simple way I have shown you how can you blink